So let's, without further ado, and somebody suggested that I should read it. And this is first Saturo Ni. This is Windbreaker. Cover wise, this very basic. Please let me know this is real or fake. And मेरे उसमें हमेशा चलता रहता है. It should start from this way. God. Japanese पकड़ा दिया नहीं, English है, sorry, my bad. If you're in high school, this looks nice. Action frames are also nice. Quality wise okay है, because कहीं कहीं पे borders दिख रहे, कहीं कहीं पे नहीं. So far so good. Is it a high school story or is it like a food story? But there are some action frames. It's not like a supernatural, but it's like wow, nice cool character designs, but wow, there are some actions, right? Interesting. I really want to first publish in Japan. So this is the recommended highly, but the print quality thoda thoda cut raha hai. Up to you what you want to do, but looks nice, good quality though, in a sense ki thoda boundaries ka problem hai, but so far good. Link in the description. Bye bye, thank you.